Hi and welcome, it's Ruth here at Artful Stampin, and welcome to the Stamp Around UK video hop. Please do check out the description for the links to all the other hoppers. So I'm going to be creating a folded ornament, and this is something that I received in a swap many years ago at a Stampin' Up gathering and thought it was, oh look at my camera go, oh my word. Right, let's just fix that, I'm so sorry. Oh dear, these things happen. All right, so you get a piece of 6x6 paper. It's really easy. I'm sure we've all got bits of 6x6. If you're a scrapbooker or card maker, you have got loads of this stuff in your stash. Decide which side of the design that you would like to see. And when you've decided what side you'd like to see, you need to fold in the corners, as I've just did, corner to corner, corner to corner. Now at this point, if you want to, because it is easier for later on, it's actually helpful to punch a hole in each corner. So I'm going to do that with my crocodile. I'm going to fold over, and so because I've put those creases in there, it's easier for me to kind of get the central point there. And I'm just going to punch a hole through those two, and then a hole through these two. Right, so I folded corner to corner. After I've done that, I'm going to fold from this edge here into the middle, and it needs to meet up with that crease line that I did earlier. Now, depending how the lighting is in your craft area, sometimes it's easier to see that crease than other times. You just have to sometimes just help it by pulling that up, just to remind yourself where that crease was. And make sure you really burnish the edges. She says, looking for her bone folder. There we go. And then do the same on this side too. Now we're actually going to do this 4 times for each corner, and Stampin' Up 6x6 is really lovely quality. It really is, and so it's not really suitable for origami, even though it's lovely and square. For those of you who have done origami in the past, it's way too thick really for origami, but for making this little ornament it's perfect because it's lovely and sturdy and will hold the shape. So if you haven't guessed already, the theme of this month's vlog hop is 3D items, and so I'm looking forward to seeing what else folk have created. Okay, so 2 sides down and 2 more to go. Now, I had considered editing this to make it a little bit faster for you, but actually as I'm doing this, I'm thinking I'm going to leave it in real time because it's helpful perhaps for you to know how long this would take you to do. If you decide to make a few of these, you know, I wouldn't want to pretend that, you know, it was just a 2-minute job when it's actually a little bit longer. Okay, I've pushed that over a little bit too far. And I think the other one I haven't done enough, but I might just move that one up a little bit more. There we go. Okay, and 1 more to go. I just want to burnish that so I can really see where I'm heading. There we go, that's a bit better. Oh no, I've done that one. This one. All right. So it's basically you're making kind of like a bit of a kite shape from each corner. Yeah, anyone who does do origami watching me do this, please don't judge. I'm not doing this very precisely. Oh dear. It's precise enough for what we need it for. All right, so I've got all my lovely folds in here. And then all we're going to do is just a little bit of manipulation. Oh, actually, no, there's 2 more folds I've got to do. So now what I'm going to do is fold the wrong way, the side that's the wrong side, together, like so. Square to square, or corner to corner rather, not square to square, but squared. And I'm going to put a crease from the edge to the first crease that you can see. When you do it, you'll understand. You'll probably see better than what you can see through the video. So put a crease in there. I'm wondering if I do need it all the way through. Oh well, I'll try putting it together and see what happens. So then what you need to do is push that section in like so, and then bring this one up to meet it, and then push this one in, bring this one up to meet it, push that in, push that, bring that up to meet that, and then sometimes you just need to push those in a little bit like so. And there you have this really cool sort of, it's almost like a geometric teardrop. So because we did the holes earlier, it makes it easy then to pop some thread through, she says. Just got some twine here. So you could put a very small gift into the centre. If you put maybe some sweets or something, or a sweet. But this does make a very nice little hanging ornament. Loop-de-loop, like so. Pull that shut. And this would be great to do with some nice Christmas papers, and just to make some quick ornaments to decorate a tree or hang from your window. Just tie that together so that it holds it. I'm not going to tie a knot in case I want to put something in it later on, but there we go. There it is, done. All right, that's the bottom, and there it is in its all its glory there. There we go. That took me less than 8 minutes. As long as you have the bone folder to hand, which I didn't, I had to grab. Make sure you have your hole punch and your thread. This is the sort of thing that you could just sort of sit and quite happily do. You probably do need to have good lighting to make sure you can kind of see what you're doing. But there we go. Right, so that was from this 6x6 is from the designer series paper for the current in colours, which it does have some nice neutral sort of designs, and obviously that palette is quite neutral too. But that's a really lovely kind of goldeny colour for Christmas. Right, thank you so much for joining me. Please do go check out all the other vlog hoppers, and see you again soon. Bye.